So let me just tell you right off the bat, I feel like a king in this truck, and that's kind of the feel that this should give you for almost $100,000 with tax. But it just has a presence to it, it really does. I kind of want to see what the lane keep assist does. So I have the adaptive cruise on now, and it's just kind of pinging me in. And of course, until you get super cruise, you're not really going to have a lane centering system from GM, at least not yet. But a really, really nice ride. And of course, you have the suspension to thank. I'm sure there's some sort of active damping on here as well. Just a fantastic ride coming down the interstate here. Very smooth, even with these huge 22s. And another good thing about this truck is, even though, I mean, it's called the Denali Ultimate, but it's just so quiet in here. Just very impressive sound acoustic going down the interstate and even just driving through town here. So let's go ahead and put it into sport mode, and we'll just give it a little bit of throttle here. What makes this awesome is I didn't have a clunk at all. Just really good pull once I put it in sport mode, and it was just ready to go. And since this truck is not gonna go, we're gonna go ahead and just show off the adaptive cruise again. Just how it keeps that safe distance between myself and the vehicle in front of me. And I have the gap all the way back, but as I increase the speed, you can see it's not gonna go past 40, even though I have it set to 45. And it's just so, the truck is so controlled in the sense that it's so easy to drive, and it just rides so well. It's so tame. And for 85 G's, most buyers of this, that's what they want. This is the epitome of luxury for a pickup, so it should act as much. And they really brought it with this Ultimate. And I've said it about 1,000,000 times, I'll say it 1,000,001 times, I love this interior. It really makes that big of a difference in terms of just how luxurious the Denali feels. So if I could afford it, this would be the truck I would go with. Most definitely. It's got everything I want, even stuff I didn't know I wanted, it has it. But with all that being said, this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 Ultimate.